Project Noteworthy, an E.C.D Custom Series 2A built to our client's exact specifications. Project Noteworthy Estate is painted in full gloss Cornish cream. Project Noteworthy Estate sits on 16-inch solid steel wheels with road tyres. This Series 2A features a Series 2A style front grille, OEM style front bumper, custom fold down side steps, and 2 gas cans, custom painted in body colour. On the inside, Project Noteworthy Estate features an Evander wooden steering wheel with vintage gauges and Series 2A seats. Each seat is wrapped in vertical Garrett, Bellissimo Anise leather stitched together in nutmeg. This Series 2A is powered by our GM LS3 engine with 6-speed auto transmission. This Series 2A also features an array of modern elements such as retro sound radio with Bluetooth.